Hi, this is a video of a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. This is going to be a walk around video and a short drive right after. So I've had this car since about 8,000 miles. It's got 44,000 miles at the moment. So the Limited comes with leather seats. It's got auto dimming rear mirror. It's got heated seats, automatic headlights. It's got blind spot. It's got the premium sound system. It's four-wheel drive, like most Subarus are. As far as the body goes, it has some very minor scratches, if anything at all. Just normal wear stuff. Body's super nice. Paint matched, really good. So I'm gonna pop the hood right now. So here I'm gonna show everything is complete in the engine bay. I replaced the oil filter 1,000 miles ago, as well as a fresh synthetic oil. So now we're gonna do the inside. Here's the driver's seat, super nice, great condition. Same goes for the passenger seat. Here's that premium radio, as well as the LCD screen for the gauge cluster. Door panels, good condition as well. So the Limited comes with this leather style compared to the cloth. Here's the back seat. Great condition as well. No rips of any kind. So now we're gonna go for a quick test drive. It's got 44,624 miles. It's going to show that the sound system works just fine. Okay. Here's those heated seats. Okay, let's go for a quick test drive. So I drive this car daily now. It's got good miles per gallon, about 30 is what I average. So it's a nice little daily car. Okay, now we're gonna reverse. So like I said, this one has the blind spot as well, and the backup camera. Okay, that's it. That concludes the video. If you have any questions and you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to contact me either via phone or message. Thank you.